Everyone, my name is Joy and I'm the owner of BBH Customs, and I am going to be showing you how to create your custom um, memorial design. We're going to go ahead and start sharing my screen. Just one moment here. I'm going to share my screen. We'll go in Canva. We're going to show you how to create your own memorial template and design in Canva. I'm going to be working from Canva Pro. As I am starting, as you'll see, I'm sharing my screen. To start, what you would do, you will go over here to where it says create design over here on the left side of your screen, and you're going to select create design. When you select create design, you're going to populate this box, and you want to go down on your left hand side under where it says create design, and you want to go down to custom size. Once it populates, you'll see where it says custom size. You're going to want to make sure that you're going to be working in inches. Now, depending on the size printer that you're going to be printing from, I'm going to go with a standard size today, since most standard size printers is the 8.5 by 11 inches. So we're going to go with the 8.5 by 11 inches. So 8.5 by 11, and it's in inches. And we're going to go create new design. And it's going to populate the 8.5 by 11 design space. So this is your design space. This is where you're going to start off. This is your backdrop. This is your, what they say, this is the base. We're going to build from this base. So to start with, we're going to go in. I'm going to go over here to the left of your screen. You'll notice these different tools that you can use. We have our elements, text, brand, upload, tools, projects, apps, and you go down to so much more, okay? So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with elements. You're going to be working with elements and text the most in your upload. So we're going to go over here with elements. And my theme design color today, I'm going to go with yellow today for whatever reason. Purple is my favorite color, but I'm going to go with yellow. So I am going to search for yellow that well, first we're going to search for heaven gates, okay? So we're going to search for heaven gates. So we're going to search for heaven gates. So we see all. So we're going to see what we can see with what Canva has to offer. See if there's something that we want to use. So we got graphics. Let's see what they have anything under photos. So we go into photos and let's see if we have anything better. I'm gonna choose this one right here. So as you see, I selected that one and this populated. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to enlarge this by dragging the corners. And I am going to position this. I want this to be centered like that, okay? So those are stairways to heaven, okay? So now what I'm going to do, since we're going to build from this is our base. So now I'm going to go over here and I am going to look for yellow clouds. I want yellow clouds. So yellow clouds. So I'm going to just play with this, and I can do something like this with the sun, and I'm just playing just to show you what you can do. Just trying something out. So I can always do this, and it looks like I am covering up my base, but then I'm going to go in and go to our transparency, and we still have like that yellow glare. You can still see the background. You can do it that way, get the yellow glare. You could also remember we're building from the base. So we could also go to our base, and where that white is, we can change that to yellow. I'm going to turn it to yellow. And change color. So I'm going to pull this back up. We'll pull this back up. Then I'm going to play with the transparency of that a little bit. And that gives our image a slight yellow cast. If we go transparent on it some more, you'll still see. And if I duplicate it, we can bring that up. I'm going to bring this to the front. Bring that forward. Now I'm going to slide that back over. I want it to adjust to, there we go. I'm going to bring this over. I'm going to make that transparent a little bit more. And I'm going to go ahead and select these yellow clouds here. So we can duplicate. We can transparent those as well, giving that yellow cast. I'm going to duplicate that again. Put some yellow up here at the top. Duplicate it again. Now I'm going to go in and I am going to look for me some angel wings, okay? So you want to type in your element search bar, and you're going to type in angel wings. And we're going to search, and then we're going to look for some angel wings, some that we would like to add. And then I'll show you how we're going to find. So those are some angel wings. I'm going to go up here to the top to BG removal, which is remove our background remover. And the background has been removed. There's our angel wings. Now we're going to go down here on our left-hand side. Select the image. I'm going to select our image. And I am going to go down to our magic media, and we're going to type in the specific as we possibly can in what we're looking for. So I am going to type in African American female with long body, wave flowing hair, wearing a yellow women's pantsuit with a full body pose, wearing pearl stud earrings in her ear. Now let's see what happens and hit enter. So let's see what populates. Okay, so we got a couple of cute ones. Let's see here. Okay, so I think I can work with this. Let's see, I'm going to remove background, and I might be can do something with, yeah, I think I can do something with this. Yeah, I look like she's stepping down our yeah, I look like she's stepping down the stairs. I like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hit control, and I want to select, well, shift, and I want to select her. Let's go to, let's go the other way. Gonna go here. I'm gonna go to my layers. I'm gonna show layers. I am going to select that layer, and I'm gonna select that layer, and I'm going to group the two. That way now I can adjust my image like such. It's like she's coming, walking down the steps. And now I'm gonna go back to my magic media, and I am going to select this one, and I'm going to remove the background. We're gonna stand her right there. And then I am going to use this one, and we're going to remove the background as well. And we're going to then put her here. I'm going to duplicate these clouds that I have at the bottom multiple times. And that's And duplicate it again. Duplicate. And you're just building your design. So as much as you have to, and we're gonna up our transparency a little bit on this one. We'll go ahead and duplicate that one more time because what we're doing is we are basically trying to, so we can play hide and seek as they say for the bottom. Okay, so now that we have her in the design as we want, we're gonna get ready to add our text. You can also add like I like to add sparkles sometime to it. So what you would go in, if there's anything else you wanted to add to your design, so I'll put in like sparkles or stars. So we'll put stars. So if you wanted to add, let's see, it's this star, it's a gold star. You would minimize the size, of course. Nothing that you have to do. But if you wanted to add, a little something else to your design, this is when you become, becoming, a little more creative, making this uniquely yours. Now we're gonna go to our text tool over here, and I'm gonna go to the add a heading, and then I'm gonna go over here to I like to use let's see, for our top, we're going to go ahead and use the porcelain for our heading. So we're going to select, and we're going to put, type in always in our heart. And we'll put your memory is you're always in our hearts. In memory of. So I'm just gonna select this, duplicate it, select in memory of, and we're going to put this at the top. We can make this bigger. And we can put in memory of here. We can bring her down a little bit slightly. Bring her more in the center. Always in our hearts, in memory of. Now we're gonna go to add another heading. Now I'm gonna go to our Amsterdam. I want to go to our Amsterdam font. And we have a few. I'm gonna go with this one. And so Amsterdam 2. I am gonna go ahead and her name is gonna be uh her name is gonna be um uh Amanda. Amanda um Tails. Amanda Tails. Always in our hearts, in memory of Amanda Tails. And then we're gonna go to this portion again. I'm going to duplicate this. I'm gonna bring this down to the bottom because I am gonna then put her sunrise and sunset. So we're gonna put, this is just a number I'm making up. You know, when you're creating this on your own, you'll put, of course, the correct. But I'm gonna put 01, 01, 01, 2, 01. And then we're gonna go to we're gonna go 02, 02, 2025. So we're going to make sure we align that correctly. You can add effects and outline it. That had gray. Let's see how it looks if we outline this in white. Try the same thing for her name. I'm gonna outline it in white. Outline it in white. Outline it in white, and we're going to once we outline it in white, we're going to then do the same thing with the in memory of. And just like that, we have created a memorial design. And I'm going to show you how you can go up here, and we're going to duplicate the page. Then we're going to go to our elements, and we're going to look up grudge edging. Grudge torn paper edge. And this way, when you take this, you can alleviate the box edges. Alleviate the box edges. And because the color is not white, you can select it and make it white. And that gets rid of the box edges. And then adjust it as such. I'm gonna go ahead and drag it like this. Want to change the color. Let's see here. Don't want that. Okay, so and that's how you create your very own memorial design.